Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lectures on Human Diseases and Genes. In this video, I will discuss about anorexia nervosa. Anorexia nervosa was first described in a medical context by Sir William Gull, a British physician in 1873. He used the term anorexia nervosa to describe the condition characterized by severe weight loss and a profound fear of gaining weight, despite being underweight. Gull's observation laid the foundation for the modern understanding for this eating disorder. Anorexia nervosa is a severe eating disorder characterized by an intense fear of gaining weight, a distorted body image, and a persistent restriction of food intake leading to significant weight loss. Individuals with anorexia nervosa often view themselves as overweight even when they are dangerously underweight. The disorders can have profound physical, psychological, and social effects. Types of anorexia nervosa is broadly classified into two types: restrictive type and binge eating or purging type. In restrictive type, individuals primarily use restrictive methods to lose weight, such as extreme dieting and fasting. These There are minimal episodes of binge eating or purging behavior. In binge eating or purging type, individuals engage in binge eating followed by purging behavior such as vomiting or misuse of laxative or diuretic. This type involves both restrictive behaviors and episodes of binging and purging. Anorexia nervosa is a serious eating disorder with a relatively low but significant prevalence. Its prevalence varies based on factors such as age, gender, and geographic location. The lifetime prevalence of anorexia nervosa in the general population is estimated to be around 0.5 to 1%. Prevalence rates are slightly higher among adolescents, ranging from about 1 to 2% for females, is significantly more common in females. Studies suggest that approximately 90 to 95% of individuals with anorexia nervosa are female. In males, anorexia nervosa is less common and the prevalence is estimated to be about 0.1 to 0.3%. It is most commonly begins in adolescence, typically between the age of 12 and 25. This period is a critical time for the development of body image and self-esteem issues. The prevalence of anorexia nervosa tends to be higher in developed countries, particularly in Western culture where there is significant pressure to conform to certain body ideals. Countries such as the United States, Canada, and UK report higher prevalence rates. Risk factors of anorexia nervosa are biological, psychological, genetic, and socio-cultural factors. Imbalances in neurotransmitters like serotonin may be involved in the disorder. Traits such as perfectionism, high achievement orientations, and low self-esteem are often associated with anorexia nervosa. Societal ideas of thinness and beauty can contribute to the development of anorexia nervosa. Twin studies have shown that anorexia nervosa has a substantial genetic component. Several studies have estimated that the heritability of anorexia nervosa is about 50 to 60%, indicating that genetic factors contribute significantly to the risk of developing the disorder. Anorexia nervosa is characterized by a range of symptoms that affect physical health, behavior, and psychological well-being. Behavioral symptoms include severe dietary restriction, excessive exercise, preoccupation with food, weight and body image, and body checking. Physical symptoms include significant weight loss, physical appearance changes, gastrointestinal issues, cardiovascular and other health problems, and menstrual irregularities. Psychological symptoms include distorted body image, obsessive thinking, mood and mental health issues, and cognitive impairment. Patients are consuming very small amount of foods or strictly controlling calorie intake, avoiding specific food types or entire food groups, often based on perceived calorie content or fat content. They are engaging themselves in excessive exercise routines to burn off calories even when fatigued or injured. They frequently weighing on oneself and expressing dissatisfied with weight, regularly measure or inspect their body and often looking at oneself in the mirror repeatedly. Marked decrease in body weight of individuals can be life-threatening. In females, the absence of menstrual periods due to low body fat and hormonal imbalance. Due to less body fat and metabolism, individuals feel cold, and due to low fiber intake and reduced food consumption, gastrointestinal issues like abdominal pain and constipation are also reported. Fine soft hair growth on the body which may develop as a response to low body fat and cold sensitivity. In addition, slow heart rate and low body pressure result from malnutrition and electrolyte imbalance. Individuals often seeing oneself as overweight even when underweight. Depression, irritability, and anxiety are common. Research into the genetic factors contribute to anorexia nervosa is ongoing, and while the exact genetic mechanisms are not fully understood, evidence suggests that several gene variants plays a significant role in the risk of developing the disorder, such as 5-HT2A receptor, SLC6A4, MC4R, that is melanocortin 4 receptor, BDNF, and CRH, that is corticotropin releasing hormones, etc. Variants in the serotonin receptor and transporter genes have been implicated in several studies of anorexia nervosa. The serotonin system is involved in mood regulation and appetite control. MC4R gene is involved in appetite regulation and has been studied for its role in eating disorder. Although more commonly associated with obesity, its role in appetite regulation may also impact anorexia nervosa. Variants in the BDNF gene plays a role in brain function and neuroplasticity, have been linked to anorexia nervosa and other psychiatric disorders. CRH gene is involved in the body's response to stress and may influence susceptibility to anorexia nervosa given the high level of stress and anxiety associated with the disorder. Genome-wide association studies have identified several loci associated for anorexia nervosa, for example, N1 and N2, etc. Anorexia nervosa is associated with several changes in brain structure and function. These changes can impact how individuals perceive their body, regulate emotions, and make decisions. Studies have found reductions in cortical gray matter volume in individuals with anorexia nervosa. This reduction may affect areas involved in sensory processing and cognitive function. The hippocampus, which is involved in memory and emotional regulation, may also show reduced volume. This can be related to the stress and nutritional deficiency associated with the disorder. Changes in white matter integrity have been observed in individuals with anorexia nervosa. White matter alteration can affect communication between brain regions and may contribute to cognitive and emotional disturbances. Alterations in brain stem structure are involved in autonomic functions and basic physiological processes have been noted. These changes can affect physiological regulation and response to stress. Functional imaging studies have shown altered activity in brain regions related to reward processing such as the striatum and ventral striatum. Alterations in serotonin levels and receptor activity have been implicated in anorexia nervosa. Serotonin plays a role in mood regulation, appetite control, and impulse control. Changes in dopamine function, which is involved in the reward system and motivation, have also been observed. Diagnosis of anorexia nervosa involves a comprehensive assessment that includes clinical evaluation, medical history, and psychological assessment. The diagnosis is primarily based on criteria outlined in the Diagnostics and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, 5th edition. Diagnosis of anorexia nervosa requires a careful and thorough assessment based on established criteria and a comprehensive evaluation of physical and psychological health. Accurate diagnosis is essential for developing an effective treatment plan and addressing the complex need of individuals with anorexia nervosa. The severity of anorexia nervosa can be specified based on body mass index with different categories indicating mild, moderate, severe, or extreme. It is important to differentiate anorexia nervosa from other conditions with similar symptoms, including bulimia nervosa, binge eating disorder, body dysmorphic disorder, etc. Treatment for anorexia nervosa typically involves multidisciplinary approaches like psychotherapy, nutritional counseling, medical monitoring, and medication. Cognitive behavior therapy is the most commonly used psychotherapy for addressing distorted thinking and behaviors related to food and body needs. Other types of therapy, such as family-based therapy or interpersonal therapy, may also be helpful. Nutritional counseling with a dietitian helps to establish a healthy eating plan and address nutritional deficiencies. Although no medications are specifically approved for anorexia nervosa, antidepressants may be prescribed to manage comorbid conditions such as depression or anxiety. This is all about anorexia nervosa. So today we learned about anorexia nervosa, its causes, symptoms, and how it affects the body. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel Lectures on Human Diseases and Genes for more health insights. Share this video to your friends and family members to spread awareness. If you have any questions or personal experience or stories with this disease, drop a comment. I would love to hear from you. Don't miss my next video. Until then, stay informed and take care of your health. Thank you very much.